working on an origami-based, deployable ballistic barrier that will keep emergency personnel safe during a hostile situation.
We met with federal agents that often use current shields and asked what could help them to better do their job.
Current products out there are about 90 pounds. That's pretty heavy for one person to carry, and it only protects one person. Our goal was to go for 50 pounds and protect 2 to 3 people.
This pattern is a Yoshimura crease pattern, and when it deploys, it provides these nice angles which we hope will be even more effective shape for a barrier. So going from paper to other materials can be really challenging.
It has 12 layers of Kevlar with an aluminum core in the middle. The students did a lot of calculations, and 12 layers is really what you need to be able to withstand a bullet from a handgun. One of the great things about this particular fold pattern is that it opens and closes really easily. In an emergency situation, you've got to be able to just get that thing open and get it in the way.
Today's objective was to see if it worked, if it actually stops bullets.
My first thought was, did he miss? So I went back to the high-speed camera that I'd been filming, and the bullet sunk right in.
Range is hot. It was exciting to see that it did stop the bullets, and we were able to successfully demonstrate it with 9mm, 357 Magnum, and 44 Magnum pistols.
The federal agents that saw our initial prototype were really excited about it.
Their response was that this is a revolutionary product.
The proliferation of cheap and easy-to-fly drones has triggered a rise in the number of incidents where the safety and security of individuals and facilities has been compromised. Drones have infiltrated the security of heads of state, delivered contraband into prisons, photographed private film sets and the property of celebrities. Attempts to protect using conventional weapons have failed. SkyWall 100 has the ability to quickly and easily neutralize a drone threat by physically capturing a drone in a net and controlling its descent to the ground. It combines a compressed gas-powered launcher with an intelligent projectile. This portable system provides a highly mobile and cost-effective method of dealing with drone threats. The launcher is equipped with a smart scope to assist in precise targeting. The operator acquires a target while receiving constant feedback from the smart scope. The onboard computer tracks the target's flight path and calculates the required projectile trajectory to intercept a hovering or moving drone. The smart scope responds, forcing the operator to adjust their aim. Vertical adjustments account for range, while lateral adjustments allow the operator to accurately lead a moving target. When the smart scope is locked on to the target, a solid tone indicates the system is ready to launch. The only way to completely neutralize a drone, whether it's being flown manually or autonomously, is to physically intercept it. The system can be rapidly reloaded, allowing multiple drone threats to be quickly engaged by a single operator. SkyWall projectiles can carry a range of countermeasures. The SP-40 includes a parachute which controls the descent of a captured drone. This minimizes the risk of any collateral damage and keeps the drone intact, allowing for forensic investigation and identification of the perpetrator. If the operator misses, the parachute will still deploy and safely return the tethered components for reuse. Other features can also be included, such as audible and visual alarms and tamper-proof marking systems. The system is de-energized when not in use, so it is safe to handle and transport. SkyWall captures drones, protects assets.
Revision's Batlskin Viper Head Protection System is the world's first fully integrated mission modular protection system designed, engineered, and tested to protect from blunt impact, blast fragmentation, and ballistic threats. The head protection system enables quick armor up and down and strikes the ideal balance between protection and lethality. Revision's helmet shells utilize high-tech composite technology. The shells are lightweight and deliver advanced protection that exceeds military-grade testing requirements. Inside the helmet shell, the fully adjustable modular suspension system and adjustable retention system maximize comfort and stability. The modular protection attachment system consists of a multi-purpose front mount, rail system, 3-position visor, and ballistic mandible guard, all designed to fit ACH-style helmets. The system can be worn in any combination, with each component seamlessly integrating with the next. The front mount is a lightweight, multi-purpose NVG mount featuring a snag-free design. It is the platform to armor up in high-threat situations. For enhanced stability, the front mount has 3 attachment points that align with the existing holes of the ACH. 2 helmet rail systems are available, interlocking long rails and standalone long rails. Both fit flush with the helmet's curvature and are available in 4 sizes to ensure optimal fit with the helmet. Interlocking long rails interconnect seamlessly with the front mount and can be used simultaneously with the visor and mandible guard. Standalone long rails function independently and work with commonly used NVG mounts. Head-borne accessories such as a camera or light can be quickly attached to the helmet by sliding the device onto the rails. The 3-position visor provides high-impact protection while offering maximum field of view and flawless optics. The visor easily clips into the front mount with a simple one-handed movement. Its unique pivot arm allows for 3 in-service positions: up for maximum ventilation, vented for cooling and airflow, and locked in the down position for full-face maximum ballistic protection. The visor's small arm mechanism has been refined for an improved seal against the helmet and mandible, keeping out water, dust, and fragments. Additionally, Revision's advanced coatings provide best-in-class anti-fog and anti-scratch protection. The mandible guard offers protection for the lower face and jaw and is available in 2 options: a ballistic mandible guard or a wireframe mandible guard. The ballistic mandible guard provides maximum ballistic protection across the entire surface area. The wireframe mandible guard provides non-ballistic impact and blunt force protection. The mandible guard has been specially designed for a full range of motion, allowing for maximum situational awareness. 2 buttons on either side allow the mandible guard to be tilted downwards at varying degrees for improved sight compatibility, night vision device use, airflow, eating, and drinking. Pushing the mandible against the chest provides a quick, hands-free way of returning the mandible guard back to its original position. The mandible guard's strapless design enables rapid attachment and removal. When wearing the mandible guard, certain weapon sighting techniques may require adjustment. By rotating your weapon at a 45-degree angle and tilting your head, you can maintain a laser optic field of view for targets up to 100 meters. Together, these components create a fully integrated and modular head protection system that delivers best-in-class protection from blunt impact, blast fragmentation, and ballistic threats. Soldiers and law enforcement officers around the world can count on Revision for the ultimate head and face protection.
X-ray 6-4, pursuit terminated, 55th and Keller. Suspect is northbound on foot, possibly armed. Request additional units and UAV support. Launch the UAV. Moving the UAV to the north side. I have a visual on the suspect. Positive ID of a gun in his right hand. I repeat, there is a gun in the suspect's right hand. Proceed with caution. Suspect moving to the northeast side of the house. Now suspect is moving northwest. Suspect moving north of location. He is crouching behind a block wall. Unit 2, use extreme caution. He may be setting up an ambush.
Walk forward towards my boys!
Suspect is standing. He's standing and placing the gun on the ground. I repeat, the gun is on the ground.
Keep coming towards my boys!
Suspect has his hands up and is moving to the northeast corner. Unit 2, you should have a visual of the suspect.
Stop! Turn around! Get down on your knees! Get down your son, put your hands out like you're on a cross! Don't move!
We know all too well the dangers of getting in front of a speeding vehicle to deploy tire spikes. This method takes both time and additional officers to coordinate the anticipated route of the fleeing suspect. Even if all 4 tires are successfully deflated, the vehicle retains the ability to travel with the possibility to injure or kill someone. Although the pit maneuver can be effective if all goes as planned, the results can be unpredictable and sometimes tragic. When an officer is experiencing an adrenaline dump, they can lose sight of their personal safety. The pit sometimes results in an officer coming to a stop in an extremely compromised position. Suddenly, the officer is in front or beside the suspect vehicle in the direct line of fire. We believe the use of our product is the superior way to end a pursuit. Admittedly, the same adrenaline dump does exist when using the Grappler. However, there is a dramatic improvement in officer safety as 100% of the technique is performed behind the suspect vehicle. The chase also comes to a controlled stop with predictable distances between vehicles. The Grappler is intuitive and extremely user-friendly. The device has a total of 2 switches located inside the cab. The first switch extends the wheel locking net and can both raise and lower the net as needed. The second switch releases the tether strap completely from the pursuit vehicle before or after net deployment at the officer's discretion. We believe the Grappler offers incredible monetary value for agencies. The Grappler will most likely outlast the vehicle it is initially installed on and can be transferred to newer vehicles within the fleet. With the use of a net, one officer has the ability to quickly end a chase from the security of their vehicle. Unpredictable and costly financial exposure can be reduced if the chase is ended quickly. It begs the question, how many lawsuits can be avoided by a change in pursuit tactics? It all comes down to this. There is no way to put a dollar amount on sworn and civilian lives destroyed by fleeing suspects while operating with no regard for human life. We have a better way.
If your agency is serious about pursuit management, contact us for more information. The Grappler by Stock Enterprises increases safety for your members and the citizens of your community.